Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to another one, Dividend Goals. It's your boy Jamar. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you say what's up in the comments, make sure you like the video. I just want to do a quick update for the stocks I bought this week on my little journey here. Just investing $25 a week in my M1 Finance account. Let's check it out. All right, so you remember I told you guys I had to pull some money out. So what I did is I put, instead of just the $25, I put 200 on top of the 25. So I put $225 in. I actually probably gonna double back and finish it up on Monday. I was gonna wait till my next check, but I'm probably more comfortable go ahead and knocking that little bill to myself out. So when I turned the auto invest feature back on my M1 Finance, it auto invested the $225, but it looks like it only bought four holdings of my six holdings. So first up, we got FICO. It spent $51.11, which gave me a quantity of 0.05 of a share, percent of a stock, I guess. So it's fractional shares up until a certain point because these are really expensive. Let me check at FICO. I believe it's over $900. So FICO is $899.72 right now. All right, so let me get back here. Come on, screen. There we go. And next it bought Coca-Cola. So it bought $62.91 of Coca-Cola. This is another expensive one. It's another fractional share, so it's 0.095 of a share of stock. I don't be stuttering on these things a lot. Anyway, next up we got QQQ, which is an ETF. Excuse me. The NASDAQ 100 ETF, I believe. Invesco QQQ Trust. So it's $372.58 a share. So with my $55.84, it bought me 0.14 fraction percent of a share. We'll figure it out as we go how I'm supposed to word that. Anyway, on this journey, on this road to retirement, Apple next up and last for this week, we bought Apple. So Apple's I bought $56.71 worth. The share price is 178.18 as of right now. It is 6:59 p.m. Friday, September 8th. All that good stuff. So that bought me 0.31 of a share. So these are all fractional shares. That's what I have going on this week as far as my M1 Finance account. Y'all work with me on this Robinhood account. All right, so on Robinhood, I pretty much gave Robinhood, I believe like $100 last week. But well, between last week and this week. So my portfolio on Robinhood is down 23% from trying to learn how to trade. So what I did is I did the opposite of what was advised on TV because I was on YouTube, from the videos I have watched. I wanted to go ahead and get to trying to sell cover calls. And most of them said, don't buy a penny stock trying to sell cover calls. So I bought a penny stock to try to sell cover calls. And I lost like $50 in one, I think it was like 3 days. And then this week, I was trying to learn how to sell credit spreads. So I did it totally wrong. And I end up losing $69 more this week. But lessons learned, it's about $100. I'm looking at the lifetime of my portfolio. I mean, I'm irritated that I lost $100, but lesson learned. So I'll take a little bit more time to build up the money inside of my Robinhood account, so I can actually start to trade, learn to trade seriously, and take it seriously and stop playing around. Because I don't want to be. It's not going to be wise to sit around and lose $100 every few days or even once a month. Now that's going to add up really fast. So we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our time. We're gonna build up the money that we have in our trading account. We're gonna get it to an amount that's more feasible that you can play around with. That if you do lose $50 or $60, is not 25% of your portfolio. And I already had to do things in this account anyway that I didn't want to do. So messing with even more money was a bad idea. So you guys, if you're gonna learn to trade, which you're probably, if you get to going and investing, you're gonna come across trading. You're probably gonna want to try it. I'm gonna say you probably want to wait till you have 500, I think really $1,000 or more before you get to playing around with it, because the losses are gonna add up so much faster and they're gonna hurt your portfolio so much faster. Like if you lose $20 on $1,000 account, it's not as bad as losing $20 if you only have $200 or $300. Then you're gonna be chasing to get that $20 back, which is probably gonna put you more and more in the hole. But I don't want to be too negative. If you find a way to make wins, you find a way to make your portfolio positive. Hey, do your thing. But if you want to be more on the safe side, I would take the time to build up my account and also build up my knowledge and learn a little bit more about that. But hey, that's it, man. That was it for this week. I hope y'all have a good one. Man, make sure y'all check me out next week. Keep going with these updates. $25 a week, $100 a month. We're going to secure some type of retirement for ourselves. Man, y'all have a good one, man. Peace.